We are Namachrim, Yanko.
Recruitment, you're working with the finance minister.
Muntio.
A joint cabinet member.
I'm getting many of them on the stream.
I know. A lot of the teachers are not particularly happy with government, happy with the Minister for Education. I see justified demonstrations and picketing at the ministry. But I am not the approving authority. I wait for the Minister for Finance to grant me clearance. With clearance will indicate that I recruit 10,000 teachers. Then I proceed with GES to do that. I don't have the approval. And therefore, it is not a case of Haruna Idris or Minister for Education not wanting to help teachers. We recognize that we need teachers across the country. As I said, to improve foundational learning and implement education.
Recruitment, your
Mepacho Enche Ibia. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ebe kachere ya Ghana phone na say.
Abuza for mamu nyina makwa ba ne ba Ghana nsem TV so. Ba mo to be like video no. Obe subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. So na be next time videos of this nature about so sabit makabi. Na so atwa your comment section sa. Na Ghana CCA ye teachers and nurses, especially teachers. And man titru omo bobna. Na rewo me wo ne say eno amini bikasai. No more expressing concern or more dissatisfaction. You could clearly see that these individuals are frustrated citizens. They are confused citizens. They can't differentiate their left from their right. They can't tell their future from their present. And they can't tell their past from their present nor their future. And it's very disheartening and it calls for alarm. 1 year, 4 months, 1 year, 3 months, and still counting. Ghana teachers, nurses, some government workers have not been paid. Now, also my money be catching my makuma yan say they have no other option than say omani memani be sebi, money mo sebi, omani memani be ebeshi, no magiska. Senyes ha ombeda kom. Senyes ha omunye sikani bi. And found coffee and Jomobusafo. Some of these people are parents. Some of these people are breadwinners of their family. To imagine being the breadwinner of a family, having all burdens on your chest. Imagine your family contributing, going for loans to make sure that they sponsor your education. Now you are John Dramani Mahama, Atoforsen, and here are Haruna Idris as Minister for Education, Atoforsen for Minister for Finance. Here are John Dramani Mahama as a president of the state. No mun chiagan the teachers for car. They be more sex for money, sex for food. This a wouldn't be yes, had you be ubi feeling. Send be any yo. Send be young, mate. If you say be woman and men shimo in your scar, or muntimidity. If it's your more you my ya, fi a trim, bosom and nine bosom means any. The mood de communia be. Tomafos a trim penna by force. Keep him some besom cop, a Roman sisters, it be some Roman fathers. But second hunty, so many money bidder, no mojiska, how many memory bidder, no mojiska. Mention maybe video number. Wow, won't TB.
We are Namachrim, Yanko.
recruitment, you're working with the finance minister.
Muntio.
A joint cabinet member.
I'm getting many of them on the stream.
I know. A lot of the teachers are not particularly happy with government, happy with the Minister for Education. I see justified demonstrations and picketing at the ministry. But I am not the approving authority. I wait for the Minister for Finance to grant me clearance. With clearance will indicate that I recruit 10,000 teachers. Then I proceed with GES to do that. I don't have the approval. And therefore, it is not a case of Haruna Idris or Minister for Education not wanting to help teachers. We recognize that we need teachers across the country. As I said, to improve foundational learning and implement education.
Recruitment, your
Me pacho enche bia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ebe ka kire yan Ghana phone na say ye recruit over then 1 million workers, especially in the nursing and teachers field. Osomafo a oda education ano say otiti say ye say unfair teacher for adwumam na osre teacher for say enya no for to a say atofo sen no a omo ka kire ye say sika ta ho say po enti omo de be ye adwuma no so no ama ono haruna no clearance ya ontumi nya hwe. Enti the question again will be say aban na ho ka kire ye say amela me say makusie ni yo aban no president ni say we create adwuma wa fan crofo adwuma dia oche education so say me pa cho me no ye ma me clearance ntumi fan crofo adwuma ye ma me clearance dia me fa teacher fo adwuma me fa o fine but ye ma me clearance. Who should we believe? President you say yama 1 million jobs and now the adwuma ne se ne nsa na no ka kire we say there be adwuma ne ye ni sky ye de ye no fine and obegina di oba kukuru 5 minutes fa na yanko.
Ebusian from church obi a mejide se nyame adom obi a ho ye.
Obi a ho ye pa.
Eya wama o me se na nka hwan na nka ebeda sori adwene ho se ye de Mahama betutu ba o me ho a na chese Ghana for akoye mistake ato amasabi. Obi obeye vice president ye hunu ade bia obeye ya as vice president. Obeye president scandals ahodo ne Ghana sika obewi aye ese Ghana sika ema Ghana ye basa emu dun so aye da ye sebi emu basa ya oye basa hia de be hye Ghana sei Ghana de ka hwan na nke bedwene ho da senka Ghana ke be kwakoto aba short memory na o ka che say you short memory no ampadampa ya kire ne say ampa ya short memory amanda no oti good oti Jubilee House or who say Ghana for ye jimi nti no one for respect bi ama Ghana for no and until he came to lie to us say Ghana Statistical Service for man ya where say one man for 1 million jobs automatic posting automatic one ya ni nyina to nsuo mu no anim sa to nsuo mu no in the Ghana Statistical Service for say 330,000 One Mahama could not seem to catch Ghana for you say, what my 1 million jobs. Knowing very well say it is a lie. All because wouldn't pass over because Yama 330,000. It is such a disgrace to you and your government in team. Who be catching and say you are 1 million. Because you promised the nurses automatic posting, you promised the teachers automatic posting. That's when to me and Yama no be catching say you have restored the allowances. And yet no correct. Say allowance on over 1 year no be twemu. Akufo-Addo time we twemu 2016 2015 Akufo-Addo be restored in 2017 no wo ba ye osa be ye president 2025 year was twemu 1 year when ti omoka 1 good year be ye president when ti omoka nti no be catch am say he has restored it. No, it is because he cancelled it. He himself has cancelled it again. Na Ghana for yemfa nye yen yemfa nye yo yemfa nye yen na ya. Hey, obi a sebi more ye be ye policy ye baby be a Ghana for nya so fast so ye do election na ye ko toba Mr. Felix send ye ko kasabre panko fatwa so monko toba keke na Ghana ye nye niye keke no as if se Ghana na ye be ye niye ba be ye niye ama ye nkoma ya tene wu emu fufuo wo emu bankuka emu ntadisie adai te se dia Ghana na ye prayer hwese ni nyina be koso ne ye nkwa na ekoso ama ye omo maka ne nka ho me who free education ba ye no Akufo-Addo anka se MPP for nkwa kita MPP membership card nkwa na ba go school free. He said say obia ko free education obia ko free education obia ko bi obia ba ko bi aden Ghana for adia automatic posting na do dan Akufo-Addo ba ye obe posti enkola motene fie from 2014 2016 o pe posti mu nyina automatic posting na do dan Akufo-Addo na ba ye ni na no mo ka che yen plain mo nto aba no ene nyame na etwia mo ka Mahama on santi increment ne so se mo se dia mo panie na do ba obeye mu yie etu increment mu salary increment at the start 30%.
Oh yes,
in the Mahama basa shia de etimi te so ma ne 9% na mo je 11% ma ton mo ade papa to ama sebi Mahama ka ba omia to aso a nka sebi Ghanaians would be experiencing a kind of different economy. Chuaba Mabasashia, dear, when your monk for Yagana, Sika Yagana gold.
No
Gold,
price.
Sebi Ghana, a fair gold coaster. Na Nado Danko for the neighbor me, but 8 tons. Far gold, no, gold, and money could do 30.53 tons. Most of that ton gold number one Kasanga at $3,300. We be catching Ghana for some and sell Ghana Sikum as a cotton at $5,500. Yami bet Yamoka and this for Missy Yami bet Yamoka. Yami bet Yamoka. Sika mode ton ye nyina se bi e teachers for su akoko afo mawu me se koko funi biara wo kwahwere ne nkwa just because of this issue inti me se redim bisa ni moja mfiri mu ndit for ho ya me bisa ni moja mfiri mu ndit for ho ama boyefo ye to abama mo ye hunu he o Ghana ham say ya me bisa moja ni nyina mfiri mu ho obi biara waka na nu aduro because se bi mu dada mo se 6,000 se bio koko krachi ni wakoji loan Sisi bi yebe tuwa koko munti wakoji loan or that sorry ya ti koko so 10,000 bags or the first kind of FD
when your profit in excess of $10 billion, look at the money. Just listen to the amount. Winning $10 billion, I just Google it and see the value of it. $10 billion. Say Ghana go to Galam say for your tom go that one the mount cotton. But ultimately, in fact, the ordinary food soldier or company man wejuma. Ubusa sa this kind of idea was yedi nyina ewura cedi ne dollar ne mintina about 10 point something no. NDC ni na me ayame the second time say they are losing grounds by the hour, by the second, because say on one kasa ko for na say ya scam here kill the government 419 on one kasa ko for na hu because now they are coming out. When you start out, so we recruitment, you go comments. Because I am an NDC force soldier. I did this, I did that. But look at how they treated me. Yes, I say V once. Obekwana qualified. When you refreshing, I say disqualified. Na ubebo biya kronwa na NDC for ankasa omoto abamao. Nkwa ketinketi omuni adwuma ye. Maton forms over 500,000. Mo say yefa mu 5,000. Says information just say when you scar in excess of 100 million forms not on you know when you scar in excess of 100 million Ghana cedis and have offered nipa 5,000 pay. Now would this party we that's we use and until I say oko krom busa man for so one to Obama and this will be as no. Now they've started running away from the party. It's so unattractive at time. A bomb. Almost a team Johnny free party. There's no Busan say, "What there be me man to Obama and this? You want to one to Obama and this, you know?" And now all their paid actors, a software nominee, media personalities will be a ding untimin kasa adentia. Ya talk conscience. On say, Nyakupon ball na be mo aye human being. Obetimi de wa adwene akasa no. What will be this kaka krebi ato? I was say nkofo bi wo ho a omo de 100 million ato omo conscience no. Ebi e 200 million, ebi e 5,000. Ne dey ato conscience na ntia fe de we a media personality nsem ne pa unum say nsem ne hya obo ba untimi nka cause wo ka pay yi we de say ye twa sika se ato bank accounts mu. Unya honest. Ntia fe de munyina mo ye din na moto. And I'm more sure say you run a country, yes, sir. That's the NDC for you. Internet, you've no way. You've never the anyway. Separate anyway. Obient to me cabim. Omo a scam. Nasa obe funny pa 5,000. You knew it. Because the Ministry of Finance back catch us say your budget you 1 year. Into the public form be between 3,000 to 7,000. Why sell over 500,000 forms? Why? In confiding in our forms, you find cheche or more. Quabroche ko recruitment, re. Aya online, what's what coffee? You dress kabia. Ghana and you sell these forms. To this teaming you for when you jumaya, they are pleading, say, Mama, ye be binye. No, as our ton forms, no for 5,000, no for the Sikana Kedi. Now, my main farmer says, Monsino be in Twasso. The American say, NDC no, a scam 419. Now they don't think about anybody, even their own people, they are duping them. Now, Obi soon fire be, mammy.
Mate current me that say me problem here is that as an African child, one kasa wunyi no trauma wudi no. It's a whole ball game. It's a whole discussion for another day. Na o pray say o be kwa serve obi onu ma ni wi ase nyina career day bia